Are you gonna be dramatic again? Yeah. It looks like you are. Stop being dramatic. Jackson.
Okay, the death grip that he has on my arm right now, because he knows I'm getting ready to leave. Look at that. Buddy.
Wow, 100! You beat Bopping!
Hello. Hello.
This is my new carpet. It's new! Come on, man! No!
When I bought my cat this cute motorized fish toy, I didn't know I was getting her that kind of toy.
Dinky! Mr. Dinky, we need to fill the chicks. Hi, Dinky.
Oh, those are my Cheetos! What are you doing? You can't. Cheetos! Give me here. Give me the Cheeto. No. Seriously, kid? Thanks. Girl, how's your morning been? Smile. Oh, crying. Smile.
Yeah, nice. He's gonna run off the edge. I bet you he's gonna run off the edge over here. There he goes. I knew he'd do it. I knew he was gonna do it. Good boy, buddy.
You gonna do some dancing for?
At first I was afraid, I was petrified. I didn't get why Mom was suddenly always inside. My daily naps were now cut short and sneaking on your bed was done. There's no more barking at the mailman. What's a dog supposed to do for fun? But now you're home, and it's pretty fun. We played fetch for 7 hours in the backyard in the sun. I get belly rubs and treats, I never have to hold my pee. I don't know what a pandemic is, but it sure is good for me, so let's go.
Good boy. Bobby, spin.
Bum bum, wash your bum bum every single day. Wash your bum bum, wash your bum bum, wash the dirt away. Now the bum bum's squeaky clean, but there's no towel to be seen. But we can always shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. We can always shake it till it's right.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Relax. That is my booty. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Yeah.
Come on, Odin! Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. It's okay. It's okay. Come on. Oh, whoa!
We do not treat you that bad, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, man. Stop playing, bro. Leo, stop playing, bro. Leo. Leo, bro. Stop playing, bro. Look at me, bro. Bro. Bro, stop. Stop it. Bro.
You just had a shower. This little cute thing. Oh my god, you look so pretty. You look so pretty and thick. Let's look at your behind. Shake it for us.
Oh my goodness. It looks as though Gizmo's found a comfy spot. This time at the end of the bed. So comfy. Gizmo, you comfy cat. Comfy, comfy. Oh wow.
Damn, it really do be beautiful outside right now. But you know what it's not beautifuler than? It's not better beautifuler than you.
Did you find yourself a good stick? Is that a good stick, honey? Good luck bringing it up here. Oh. You got it.
You want to go see the bunny? You want to go see the bunny? Let's go see the bunny. Go see the bunny.
Let's go see the bunny. Maui, Mama needs some tea. Will you open it? Oh, thank you so much. You have a good day.